Hello, good day, my dear students, and welcome to Al Noor Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Kelvin, and welcome back to our computer class. We are now in Chapter 7, Lesson 2, entitled The Loops Algorithm. By the way, this lesson can be found on your textbook, pages 70 to 71. And here are the objectives of our today's lesson. The first objective is to learn how to draw polygons, and the second one is to build the script of a regular polygon. Here are the materials needed: your right-click book, your pen, and your computer, desktop, or laptop with a Scratch application. Now, kindly open page 78 of your textbook. So we have here the loops algorithm. So in exercise 1, it says, the script that you can see on the screen enables you to draw regular polygon. Here's a short video clip on how to build them in Scratch. Now, using Scratch application, I'm going to show you how to build the given scripts on page 78 of your textbook. So, in given number 1, we have when T key is pressed. So, under category events, then I have to choose this one. When space key is pressed, then I'll choose letter T. There you have it. Then, from the category pen, I have to choose pen down, then drag it here. So, by the way, my dear students, to know from which category you will get the blocks, just check the color of the blocks. So, as you can see in here, we have when T key is pressed, so it's brown in color. That's why I took it from the category events. Then pen down, this block is green in color, so I have to get it from the category pen. So this time we have repeat 3 times. So you have to go to category control, then get the block repeat and change it to 3. Then move 50 steps, go to category motion, change 10 to 50 steps, and to complete this script, we have turn 120 degrees to the right. So get this block, then change it into 120. So as you can see, script 1 is done already. Okay? Now, if you will notice on page 78 of your textbook, some of the blocks from script 2 and 3 are scripts 2 and 3 are the same with script 1. So we will just replicate script 1 and we will just make necessary changes. How to do it? So click when T key is pressed, this block, then right click and duplicate it. Okay, let me put it here. Then same thing, right click, duplicate it. Now we have 3 copies. Okay, so for script 1, no need to change any. But for script 2 and 3, then we have to change some. Okay, so for script 2, change T to C. Then we have pen down. Repeat 4 times, so change 3 to 4. Move 50 steps and turn 90 degrees. So I have to change 120 to 90 degrees. Okay, now for script 3, when P key is pressed, so this one is T, so you have to change it to letter P. Then we have pen down, repeat 5 times, change 3 to 5. There you go. Then move 50 steps, no need to change. Then turn 72 degrees to the right. So you have to change 120 to 72. Okay, so it's complete now. We have script 1, 2, and 3. Now let's check what will the result be. When I press T key, when I press this one, then let's check the result. When T key is pressed, there will be a triangle. So polygon with 3 sides, right? It's formed. Then when C key is pressed, a square is formed. Now when P key is pressed, let's check what will be formed. Okay, so that's right. A pentagon is formed. A polygon with 5 sides. There you have it. Okay, so there you go, my dear students. So this time, for us to answer exercise 1, so still on page 78 of your textbook, for script 1, after completing the given blocks, then what figure will be formed? So a triangle will be formed, and the number of sides, of course, is 3. For script 2, after building the given blocks, then a square will be formed, and the number of sides is 4. And for script 3, after building the given blocks, then a pentagon will be formed. And since you know that the pentagon has 5 sides, of course, the answer for question number 3 is 5 sides. There you have it. Now, here's the rule of rotation. So to have a regular polygon, all you have to do is to divide 360 degrees by the number of sides you want. Why we need to divide it by 360 degrees? Simply because 360 degrees is the sum of degrees that enables you to have a complete rotation. Now we have here a given script. So the block repeat represents the number of sides. Then the block move represents the length of a side. And the block turn, it represents the angle of rotation either to the left or to the right. And to know the angle of rotation, all you have to do is to divide 360 degrees by the total number of sides. Now here we have hexagon, and for us to know the blocks that we need to build, all you have to do is to check this table. So in here, as you can see, a hexagon has 6 sides. So in the block repeat, you have to write 6, and then how many it will move, how many steps. So the given is 30, so you have to write 30. And for us to know the number of turns, then, or I mean the angle of rotation, then as you can see in this table, we have 360 divided by 6, you will get 60. So the number of turns is 60. So after completing these blocks, try it using the Scratch application, and you will see that a hexagon will be formed. Now here's another exercise for us to do. So we are going to build again these blocks, or I mean these scripts in Scratch application. Then let's check what will the result be. Now, I'm going to show you how to build the script on page 79 of your textbook using Scratch application. So first we have script 1 with the first block, which is when up arrow key is pressed. So this block can be found from the category event. So let me click this one. When space key is pressed, then choose up arrow keys. There you have it. Then we have set pen size to 5. Go to category pen and choose this block, set pen size, change 1 to 5. So to know from which category you will get the blocks, all you have to do is to check the color of the given block. Just like this one is green in color, so you have to get it from the category pen. Now to continue, we have set pen color to blue. So this one is not yet blue in color, so let me click this one and wait until the color becomes blue. Okay, so there you have it. Drag it here on the side. Then we have pen down from the same category. Next to it, we have repeat 36 times. So go to category control, then drag the block repeat and type in 36 times. Then we have move 15 steps. Get the block from the category motion, then type in 15. And to complete this script, then we have to get the block turn 15 degrees to the left and change it to 10 degrees. Now, script 1 is done. So a little later, we're going to press this up arrow keys for us to check the result. So, but for now, let's start building the blocks for script 2. So first we have when down arrow keys pressed from the category event. Then click down arrow. Set pen size to 3. Go to the category pen. Then set pen size to 3. Then we have pen down from the same category. Repeat 5 times under the category control. Change 10 to 5. Move 200 steps from the category motion. Drag it here. Then type in 200. From the same category, turn 144 degrees. So change 15 to 144. Next block is change pen color by 10. Under the category pen, change pen color by 10. And the last block, to complete the script, we have set pen shade to 50. Now, script 2 is complete. Okay, now we're going to check the result. When up arrow key is pressed, then this sprite will start making a circle. And when down arrow key is pressed, what will the result be? Okay, so a star will be formed. So there you have it, my dear student. Now, it's time for us to answer exercise 2. So after completing the script for given number 1, then a circle will be formed. And after completing the script for given number 2, then a triangle will be formed. There you have it. Now, before I end, let me just leave you the quote of the day, which says, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. That would be all.
Thank you and have a great day.